Hello, I'm Adam from MarketLife.com here with a video for November 10th, 2020. So the market gapped open with some coronavirus vaccine news and then spent most of the day selling off, which in itself is not hugely significant. That's what normally happens after a huge gap. The market takes back some of that space. And we're going to get a lot more evidence here. Basically, we've been discussing with our members some setups. We're looking at failure tests, and you can Google that if that's not a term you're familiar with. But you can go check out my blog, see what I've written about failure tests in the past. A failure test at all-time highs, which, if we see more selling developed, this could be a very bearish sign for the market. Now, to be clear, we're not there yet. And probably what we're going to see is some near-term, short-term confusion back and forth. It's probably a difficult time to look to inner longs, and the bigger picture, what's that, few weeks to a few months, is probably still very bullish. But we don't really know what's going to happen for the rest of this week, so we're on guard for more selling. I do want to show you a long setup here, DLTH. This is very well set up if and only if we take out Monday's high. So this is a stock where you will not be triggered in unless there's significant momentum in the trade direction. If this thing just sells off to 15, 14, then you don't even touch it. But this is a very good price trigger, good bigger picture setup, and we want to be long this above Monday's high. Your initial stop is probably going to be in the mid 14s, maybe a little bit more toward 15. So say, use 1475 if you just want an exact number. And that will be a fairly big 1-hour move. So if you're uncomfortable with that, you could even tighten the stop up a little bit more. How tight is too tight? I think if you start to get much above 15.5, you're too tight. So that gives you a range you can work with. Make sure you maintain discipline of taking partial profits, and probably a time where you only want, let's say this, don't look to buy swing trades on weakness. So you want to wait and see things reverse off of Monday's selling pressure to get you into trades. And that's what we have here on Tuesday. Also, Tom dropped a new video today, so make sure you see that. We start to go through kind of the next phase of the trading program, and that will show you what we did, the good, bad, and the ugly, wins and losses, and all that is there. And we will see you back tomorrow for another video. Thank you very much.